Hello. Hopefully, I can resume my regular posting schedule or whatever I was doing before. I've been really busy working on like everything. Um, I got something. Oh, it's a cat toy. I got a cat toy caught up in my blanket. See? It's just a cat, but still. It's caught up in my blanket. I don't know how to get it out. Does it go that way? No. How about this way? I don't want to go to bed with this in my blanket. It's gonna get in my blanket. Oh no, I want it to come out. It won't come out. Wait, I think I found it. Oh no. I don't know. It's still in there, I think. Yeah, it's right here. Well, it can't be too far because there's only like one little thing here. Oh my gosh. It won't come out. I want to find it. Oh, wait. I think. Does that let me in? No. Wait, it might let me in. I feel it. Yes. I got it. Okay. now, now that I got that taken care of. Okay, so sorry. I've been working on a vocal solo. I've been trying to work on organ stuff here and there when I can. I've been trying to still catch up in updates with Latin and stuff, but that's just, oh my gosh. And then I have mathematics. I've been doing stuff. I've been doing reading and all that stuff. Well, let me think. We did a dictation and reading. But I've been doing mathematics and things, but I just it's just been little tiny bits here and there. So let me show you what I did last week. This is kind of gonna be like a maths video. Flip you over. Okay, so I don't know why this thing hasn't got done. Oh, I spent a week on Latin. We're playing catch up with Latin, but now we're kind of resuming our regular schedule. Magister is in charge of Latin and teacher is in charge of pretty much everything else. Okay, so whatever date. Oh yeah, okay, so I started working on this on the 16th. And I don't think I have the page as I think I threw it out, but I started filling out the homework. And I was filling it out and I went to erase something or something. I don't know. Somehow there's a bunch of braille up on the top and then a big blank space spot and then more braille at the bottom of the page. So there's a big hole in the middle of my homework where it didn't have any braille, and it's what the heck. So I was really upset about that. And I think that was when my Latin stuff was all going up a creek without a paddle too. So it was just a bad time. So I did resume, I started this whole thing all over again on the 30th of April, and it's already March. Jeez, I really gotta get caught up with everything. So I did this page. Well, basically these two lessons. So I did these, and these are in Braille, and these are completed. Let's see here. So this is the one that I have yet to do. But these are the two that I did. So this is already, we did like mark these up in class. There's there's like two of them where I like totally forgot to write in like one of the numbers, but I answered it correctly like in class, so he gave me the points on that. I don't know how this is totally unscheduled because I'm so tired right now. It's like 5 o'clock and I've been up since like 2 or 3 or 4. I don't know. It was late. Like in the morning. Okay, so this page I think is all corrected. Like there's nothing wrong with it. I don't see anything. As I know I marked down the ones that I got wrong. Okay, here's the 2 that I got wrong. Okay, so in the lesson, they've got like these. Let me zoom in on this. They've got like, what is it? Here, yeah, it's got something minus something, or no, something minus 10 equals 2, something minus 3 equals 9, something minus 3 equals 9. I think those are the 2 that I got wrong, or somewhere around there. And I wrote down, if I could find you, okay, here. So this is my braille. I wrote down 5 minus 3 is 8. And then for the second one, I wrote down, I'm like visually looking at this. 4 minus 3 equals 7. So I think the thing that got wrong was when I memorized like the equations of numbers, I memorized like 3, 5, 8. I just memorized that as a group. And so when I saw this, I don't know if it was just I was kind of confused on the first number or whatever, but I just instantly thought, oh, that's 5 because 3 and 5 are 8. And I wasn't paying attention to the subtraction sign. Yeah. And this one, the same thing was going on. So what I wrote totally makes no sense in the sense of not negative numbers, because we're not dealing with negative numbers. But yeah. So those are the 2 that I got wrong. Let's see. On 26, hold on, let me see. Okay, that's 27. 26. Well, that's the backside. That is not going to help you. So, on 26, here in this third column, I'm just like feeling. I think it's this one. Yeah. I have 9 plus equals 12. Yeah, I totally missed, like, I didn't write out the number here. Where is it? Oh, 26. Oh, yeah, I like totally just wrote out 9 plus, I don't know, because, yeah, that is filling the second number. And then I think the second one was wrong, too. Yeah, no, that one has a number. Maybe it's the one above it. Yeah, it's the one above it that's wrong. No, it's the one underneath it. Yeah, it's the one underneath it, because this is 3 plus equals 12. So those are the two that I just totally missed. Like I didn't, like I literally just copied it out, but yeah. So that's pretty much what I've been doing with arithmetic homework stuff for the time being. The lesson I have yet to do is 20. Oh, sorry, my hand is in the way. It's 27. We did go through and we did dictation with these because fractions. Teacher thought it'd just be easier just to do a quick dictation in class, and then I didn't have to worry about it. But all these other numbers I could pretty much write out because I don't need to figure them out. They're not fractions, so they're not hard to see. I don't know why these fractions are really, really small. 1/2, a third, a fourth, a half, a fourth. Is that an eighth? I think it's an eighth. An eighth, and I think that's a third, and a fourth. Yeah. So I have that page written out here. Well, at least the fractional parts. And then I could work on this probably when I wake up because I'm getting a headache. But as far as like today, to say that I've done something for homework instead of not just doing anything, I have a hodgepodge of recitation work to do, I think. Yeah. So that's pretty much recitation stuff. And then like doing 27. I'll probably do 27 when I wake up because I'm just really tired right now. So let me do the counting by twos. There's a number chart around here. Okay, here. So I don't know. Oh, I don't know if I could do that. I think there's a way like you could have it like on director view, but I don't know if I could do that. But I won't look, I promise. In fact, I'll make it really small so I can't see. Okay. So this is gonna just be counting up to 2, counting by twos to 50. And we did work through this in class, so I should know what to do. Okay, so I'm not looking. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. 42, 44, 48, 40, no, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. The funny thing is the same thing happened in class. I always like missed 40 something or 30 something. But let me do that again just for good measure. Okay. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's the thing. Like once I get to the end of the line, I get thrown off. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 12, 12. I want to say 12, 11, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. That's like a lot of memory work. Well, it's not really, but it's a lot of memory work when you have a headache. Okay, so I think I'll run through that again. Oh, look who woke up. The cat woke up. Okay, so that concludes counting by twos. The other thing I have to do is... Oh, I don't want to do those. Recitations of 12s. I need to find my 12s table because I don't have this memorized yet. Not very well. That's 11s. That's like year 1. I don't know where my 12 tables are. Uh-oh. That's not good. I think I lost my 12s. Is this my 12s? I think it's my 12s. I should probably get these laminate, but I don't know. Okay. So I'm gonna try not to look. 1 and... Let's see, what do I have to do? Recitation, adding and subtracting tables, 12. Okay. 12 and not are 12, not and 12 are 12, 1 and 11 are 12, 11 and 1 are 12, 2 and 10 are 12, 10 and 2 are 12, 3 and 9 are 12, 9 and 3 are 12, 4 and 8 are 12, 8 and 4 are 12, 5 and 6 are 11. What comes after that one? 4 and 8. I did 4 and 8. Okay, 4 and 8. Oh, it's 5 and 7. Okay, 5 and 7 are 12. 7 and 5 are 12. Something tells me we're going to be going through this in class again. 8 and 8 are... No, not 8 and 8. 6 and 6 are 12. Okay, I'm going to do the adding side again because that was really bad. Okay, not and 5, not and 12 are 12, 12 and not are 12, 1 and 11 are 12, 11 and 1 are 12, not 2 and 10 are 12, 10 and 2 are 12, 3 and 8 are 12, no, 3 and 9. 3 and 9 are 12, 9 and 3 are 12, I don't know what comes after that one. 4 and 5. 4 and 8. 4 and 8 are 12, 8 and 4 are 12, 5 and 7 are 12, 7 and 5 are 12, 6 and 6 are 12. I think I got them all. That's hard. I don't like doing these anymore. I really don't like doing these. Now for the subtraction side. 12 less... I don't know. Did I do 12 less 12? 12 less naught. 12 less naught is 12. 12 less 1 is 11. 12 less 2 is 9. Or is it 10? 12 less 2 is 10. 12 less... Oh, my head really hurts right now. 12 less 3 is 8. 12... I'm just going to look because I don't know this. We're going to zoom in. Okay. 12 less naught is 12. 12 less 1 is 11. 12 less 2 is 10. 12 less 3 is 9. 12 less 4 is 8. 12 less 5 is 7. 12 less 6 is 6. 12 less 7 is 5. 12 less 8 is 4. 12 less 9 is 3. 12 less 10 is 2, 12 less 11 is 1, and 12 less 12 is not. I'm going to do the adding side looking at them because I've got something I can look at and I can hear myself at the same time. Okay. 12 and naught are 12, naught and 12 are 12, 1 and 11 are 12, 11 and 1 are 12, 2 and 10 are 12, 10 and 2 are 12, 3 and 9 are 12, 9 and 3 are 12, 4 and 8 are 12, 8 and 4 are 12, 5 and 7 are 12, 7 and 5 are 12, 6 and 6 are 12. These numbers are harder to memorize. I don't know why, but they're harder to memorize. Okay, then the other one hopefully won't be as bad, but it's adding 2's and subtracting 2's to and from all the numbers of 12. Now, I have this table. I don't like how it's laid out, but I found it on the internet a long time ago. And this only goes up to 11? Oh, that's weird. But, okay. But I'll go up to 12, because I could go up to 12. Okay, so this is just for you guys to look at. I might do it the other way, but I don't know. Okay, not and 2 are 2. I gotta figure out what I'm doing. Not and 2 are 2. 1 and 2 are 3. Holy cow. 2 and 2 are 4. 2 and 3 are 5. 2 and... I don't like how this is labeled out. I'm gonna do it the other way. Okay. So, naught and 1, naught and 2 are 2. Oh, wait, wasn't I doing it that way? I don't know. Naught and 2 are 2. Naught and 2 are 2. 11, no, I want to say 11. Naught and 2 are 2. I'm not looking at the page. I'm going to look at the page. I don't like arithmetic anymore. Okay. Well, that's the 3's. We want the 2's. Okay, so we got 2. 2 and 1 are 3. 2 and 2 are 4. 2 and 5 are... 2 and 3 are 5. 2 and 4 are 6. 2 and 6 are... Wait, 2 and 5 are 7. 2 and 6 are 8. 2 and 7 are 9. 2 and 8 are 10. 2 and 9 are 11. And 2 and 10 are 12. I really don't like arithmetic anymore. I liked year 1 better. Year 1 was easier. These are hard. I'm going to do it in the other way. So I'm going to go 1 and 2 are 3, 2 and 2 are 4, 3 and 2 are 5, 4 and 2 are 6, I think. 4 and 2 are 8. I don't know where I got a 6 from. Wait. Is that a 6? Oh gosh, I can't read the number. I think it's a 6. I think I'm gonna make this table bigger and make it on a single side paper because I can't read this with the ink on both sides. 4 and 2 are 6. 7 and 2 are 8. No, 7 and 2 are 9. 7 and 2 are 9. 8 and 2 are 10. 9 and 2 are 11. 10 and 2 are 12. Okay, I'm going to let that be because my head's going to pop out. My eyeball's going to pop out of my head pretty soon. Okay, so then we got subtracting of 2's. So we have 2 less 2 is not. 2 less 1 is... Wait, how do they got this? Oh, they don't even start with 1. Okay, 2 less 2 is not. 3 less 2 is 1. 4 less 2 is 2. 5 less 2... No. 5 less 2 is 3. 6 less 2 is 4. 7 less 2 is 5. 8 less 2 is 6. 9 less 2 is 7. 10 less 2 is 8. And 11 less 2 is 9. And 12 less 2 is 10. Even though it's not written on there. I'm gonna... I don't know. I should run through it again because I did the other one twice. I did the recitation one twice too. I really need to do these like more something. Okay. 2 less 2 is not. 3 less 2 is 1. 4 less 2 is 2. 5 less 2 is 3. 6 less 2 is 4. 7 less 2 is 5. 8 less 2 is 6. 9 less 2 is 7. 10 less 2 is 8. 11 less 2 is 9. 12 less 2 is 10. And that's as far as we can go on that. So, I'm going to have to make these numbers bigger because I can't read them. Not that I need to read them, but I need to read them to at least get them in my head. I'm just going to go to bed right now because I'm really tired. I'll have to do a Latin update when I get like more awake. And I'm hoping, I don't know when, but maybe Monday I've got a busy day. Usually like during the front of the week, like as far as after the first day of the week being today, Sunday. My Monday is busy. My Tuesday is busy. And my Wednesdays are kind of busy. But I need to do a Latin update with you guys because I've been doing Latin. I need to update on what we're doing with that. And I also need to update on my shoes because I got organ shoes. I got shoes. I have been practicing a little bit here and there with them. So I'm kind of slowly breaking them in. But I'm going to have to like break them in. But I've been busy working on this vocal solo and dealing with that. Working with other people can be so exciting. That's a whole story in itself. I don't know if I'm going to upload it to YouTube or not. I just don't know. I haven't even listened to it myself, so I will take a peek and I'll see what it is and see if it's worthy enough to be posted to YouTube. But for now, so my eyeball doesn't pop out of my head, I'm going to go to bed, and it's like probably 5 something. Let's see. Oh, about 5:45, I think. Yeah, because I started at 5:15. So yeah, I've got that. And I'm just gonna go to bed right now. I'm not gonna make myself do more than what I need to do. I at least wanted to do the recitation for arithmetic because that is something we are implementing in mathematics. And I think when teacher sees this video, he's probably going to think, we need to like really work on that a lot more. But it could just be that I'm just really tired and I've been preoccupied with other stuff. Also, like in the sense of just stuff, in the sense of the religious world, it's they call it Lent, which it's kind of funny because whenever I hear Lent, I think of lint, like the little stuff you have to clean off your dryer thing after you do your dry your clothes. Yeah, I think of lint when I hear Lent, so kind of exciting there. But they are in the middle of Lent, which probably comes from some Latin word which means to give up your prized possession or something. I don't know. But they're in the middle of that. And then next week, after this week, is what they call Holy Week, I think. Like, I remember when I was at school, when I was at the technical school, they always had spring break over Holy Week, and I loved it so much. I don't know. But they have Holy Week, and that is really busy. Like, that's outside of, like, Holy Week and Christmas are like the two busiest seasons for church organ people, choir people, brass people, like anyone who does this sort of thing. Like, those are the two busiest times for pretty much all church musicians, professional and those who just do it for fun. So that's coming up. I don't know if I'll be posting anything. I don't know. I'll have to see what happens. I don't think we have Latin on that Friday. And I don't think we have mathematics on that following Monday, because I think teacher has holiday and we have Latin holiday on Friday of Good Friday, so we don't have Latin, so that'll be, I guess it's a kind of a little bit of a break, but not really because I'm still busy doing other stuff. But yeah, hopefully once like Easter is done and Holy Week is done, things will kind of get back to normal. So yeah, I don't know why I went into all that, but that's basically what's going on. Just a bunch of singing stuff going on, bunches of services. I need to check and see and make sure they don't overlap, although I think they do, but I don't know. The church that does Latin, well, that used to do Latin, because I don't think they do Latin anymore. The Latin choir hasn't sung in like forever. There is a lot of music for that service. For like, they have like a service in the middle of the day, and then I think one in the evening, and then I think they have one on Saturday, and then they have one on Sunday, I think. Yeah, I need to look at the schedule because I've been kind of like rehearsals. I've been kind of flaky with that. Not flaky, but just, I don't know. It's the same stuff over and over again. But yeah, and then over at the other church, I do organ. I think they're only singing once on Thursday. No, I think they're singing on Thursday. I also think they're singing on Friday, but I don't know when. And they don't do Saturday. And I think they're singing at like the butt crack of dawn on Sunday. So, yeah. Once all that's said and done, things will hopefully be a little bit easier for me to deal with. But yeah, that's kind of what's going on in my life right now. So that's a long that's a long recitation mathematics video. I was hoping it didn't take that long, but I guess I needed someone to talk to, and who better to talk to than my subscribers? All right. I will hopefully update the organ shoes video, or at least update the organ shoes on the whole topic, because I don't think I've really mentioned anything about that. And then I'll do a Latin update later this week when I get to it. But right now, I need to go to bed, get rid of my headache, feed the cat, and just go to bed. And hopefully tomorrow things will be a little bit easier on my head. Okay, so I think that concludes everything that's going on in my life right now. And everything as far as getting caught up on stuff. Won't stop. Where's the stop button? It won't stop.